Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. For those of you new to my channel, my name is Abby. I live in Lagos, Nigeria, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. I hope you subscribe if you've not subscribed. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you a few pieces I got from some brands in Lagos, ready to wear brands in Lagos. This video is not sponsored. First of all, I'm just showing you guys where I buy my clothes that I wear to events, like to church, things like that. Really nice dresses. Me, I love dresses because of my body type. I love dresses on myself. So I'm going to be showing you, I think 4 or 5, no, maybe 5 5 outfits that I got from different brands here in Lagos, Nigeria, that you guys can shop as well. Believe me, these brands I love. It's not even sponsored, they're not paying me to say this. I'm telling you people, these are clothes, these are brands that I really like, and I always shop from them. So I hope you enjoy this type of video, and I'll put my measurement, my bust size, my waist size, and my hip size in the description box, so you guys can check it out, so you would know how my body shape or my size, and it will guide you on how to get yours. You understand? I hope I explained that well. So my measurement is going to be in the description box. Please check it out, and let's get right into the video.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need.
So the first one I'm going to be showing you is this. I've had this for months now. I got it last year. I got it from a brand called Presh David. I'll put their handle in the description box, so you guys should check them out. I've worn this dress I've worn this dress tired. This dress, I think this dress is tired of me. Anyways, I'm going to put it on right now and show you guys what it looks like on me. This is the first one. It's a 2-piece. It looks like a dress, Abby. It's not. It's a 2-piece. And I don't have any shapewear on, just my tights and my strapless bra. I love it. I love it. See, I've worn it like a million times, and the good part about it is you can wear this with something else, like the top. You can wear it. I've worn it with a jean before, and you can wear the skirt with something else. I've worn it with a wrap top before, a white plain wrap top before. So you're getting how many outfits in one? 2 outfits in one. Yeah. This is what the back looks like. I love it. I love everything about it. It's so sexy. So the thing about this is you have an option of adding this I don't know what they call it, some stuff around it like this. I don't know what they call it, extra fabric here like this, just floating around. You have the option to get that or not, but I chose not to because me, I'm already wide enough. I don't need something that would make this place more obvious. So I decided to go for it without the extra fabric by the side. This is what it looks like. It brings out my curves perfectly well, and it has this elastic gathers by the side here. So I'm looking at a mirror right in front of me. It has this elastic gathers by the side. So like the back is crisscross, and you tie here. I didn't tie it really tight because I'm the only one that lives here right now. I'm by myself right now, and there's nobody to help me tighten it more, but this is what it looks like. So the next dress I have is this black sequins dress. I bought it from a store, a brand called DT Clothing. I'll put their handle in the description box as well. Most of my dresses are from them. I love their dresses. And see, mama, you guys should just check their page and you see what I'm talking about. So if you live in Lagos, Nigeria, you have like an event to go to, maybe brunch, dinner, whatever it is, you'll find anything you're looking for on their page. So this is it. I'm gonna try it on. It's a midi length. I'll try it on now and I'll show you guys what it looks like on me. this is the next dress. I told you they always come through. Like this dress when I wore it last year. Anyways, this is what it looks like. I still don't have any shaper on, just my tight and my strapless bra. This is what the front looks like. The front is like a lace material, very soft. I swear everything about this dress is comfortable, and this lace material also is also at the lower part of the dress, if you can see what I'm talking about. So this is what the front looks like. Oh, I love it, it's gorgeous. Then as you can see, my waist is snatched. The back, ooh, I love it. But sometimes you have to adjust the lace underneath so that it doesn't look crazy. So this is what the back looks like. I'll put their handle in the description box so you guys can check them out. I'll number every dress. So the first one is number 1, this is number 2. I'll arrange it like that in the description box so that nobody is confused. So let's get ready to the next outfit. So this is the next one. This is a black dress. This one I'm actually thinking of wearing it to church. You guys should tell me why I've not worn it before, and I bought it last year, December. I was supposed to wear it to a birthday party, but I didn't go again. So I'll also leave the handle in the description, but this is number 3. I'll leave the handle in the description box so you guys should check them out. So this is what it looks like. I love it. Everything about it, see how simple it is. That's why I even like it. And you see, it brings out my shape really well. So this is the next dress. It's from the same company where I got the second dress from, DT Clothing. I'll leave that under in the description box. It's a wrap dress and I love it. I actually wore it to a friend's sister's birthday party this weekend that just passed, and it was, you know. Anyways, yeah, so let me try it on for you guys. Next one, I told you. See, no, I won't give you guys bad clothes. Like, this is where you tie it, and this is the back right here, and this is what the back looks like. This next one is from Miss K Boutique. I'm sure plenty of you already know Miss K Boutique here in Nigeria. They're very popular. They have different stores in different places here in Nigeria. This is what I wear to maybe like a lounge or a club or something, because it's really open. Like the back is exposed. I wouldn't wear anything under this particular dress because I feel like the outline of the underwear is going to peek through underneath this dress. But let's put it, I've never even worn it before, but let's put it on and see what it looks like. See, I love this one. I love this. I'm definitely going to not wear a bra underneath, and you can make it more tighter so your breast is standing more, but because it's just me tying it at the back, I really don't care right now. But this is what the front looks like. I still have my tight underneath, but I took off my bra obviously. So you can also wear this, but we use maybe like a book tape to hold your boobs up. I think this is fine. I just need to tie the strings tight at the back. So this is what the front looks like. It's giving everything. It's giving sex, it's giving everything. But the back is really opened, and this year we're embracing the folds. We're embracing the rolls, everything. So this is the next one. This one is just like, it's a kimono. Is it a kimono? It looks like it's a kimono. Yeah, it's a kimono. I'll put the handle in the description box. The fabric is actually very hard. Not hard, it's just stiff. And it's this tie and dye design on it. I love it. I haven't worn it yet. I just bought it. I was supposed to wear it one time, but I changed my mind. Anyways, I'm going to put it on for you. This is what it looks like. I would actually wear it like this, but I'll wear it with a longer biker short. This one is really short. I'll wear it with a longer biker short. Maybe the one that'll be reaching my knee. It's tie and dye print. It's very beautiful. The fabric is thick though, but it's beautiful. This is what the back looks like. And this is it without the belt if you don't want it tied up. Wear it like this, but I'll wear mine. If I'm wearing it like this without the belt, I'd actually wear a very stylish bra. Maybe those ones that have like extra strings, you know. That is how I almost forgot my beautiful dress. This dress is actually my favorite out of everything, and I forgot about it. Anyways, this dress is from DT Clothing as well. It's long, like it's actually very long. I love this dress, and it has stretch, so you know, stretch is good for curvy girls. This was a struggle to put on. I mean, when I even got it, wasn't this tight. I think baby girl has put on a little bit of weight, but it's alright. Anyways, this is a size 14, so of UK 14. And as you can see, this dress is beautiful. I don't even need to say too much. This dress is gorgeous. Can't you look at the detailing? What here? I love everything about it. This is the back. As you can, I wasn't able to pull it off because, you know, this is a slit at the back. It's really long. Look how long it is. Lose a little bit of weight before I can wear this. It's tight. It's actually tight around here. Really tight, but the remaining part is really nice. It's just here. And I don't think I'll wear a bra when I'm putting on this. I'll just put like a nip cover. Actually, a day. But this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching this video. If you like any of them, everything are in the size 14, UK 14. So if you like any of them, I'll leave their handles in the description box. You guys should check them out. I promise you'll never go wrong. To subscribe, like my video, leave your comments in the comment section, and share my video as well. I'll see you in another one. Bye.